Good evening, everyone of the Prague Street fraternity. This is Shondeep again to tell you something about Prague Street. Today happens to be the death anniversary or Punyatithi of our Dadu Anadidhan Banerjee, Rai Bahadur Anadidhan Banerjee, जो कि was the first occupant of the Banerjee family to move into number 1 Prague Street. Prague Street, you must have heard, is a very historic bungalow in Allahabad, very close to the university and very well located. That is where many of us were born, brought up, educated, and had the best of our times, not only in childhood but in adulthood as well. Many marriages, many poites have taken place there, and it remains an absolutely milestone for the Banerjee family and makes the Prague Street people very proud. Number 1 Prague Street people extremely proud of belonging to that bungalow. Very recently, Mr. Tejkar Jha, an author of repute from Patna, has written a book based on the diaries of famous scholar and Vice Chancellor Amarnath Jha on Prague Street and Allahabad. This book very prominently finds mention of Prague Street. The photo of the original bungalow is given and a lot of activities. Now many of you must be knowing or maybe curious to know as to who all were there before my Dadu moved in this house in 1949. The house belonged to a Khatri businessman, well known Rais of Allahabad, by the name of Bachcha Ji, who was an honorary treasurer of Allahabad Collectorate, and this was his house which was allotted to Dadu, that is Sri A.D. Banerjee. But before that, the occupant was from the Nehru family. Shyam Kumari Nehru was a cousin of Jawaharlal and a friend of Amarnath Jha. The book just released, which I spoke about, is Maya, the Immortal Romance. Maya, the Immortal Romance, written by Tejkar Jha, which has every detail about it. So the Nehrus, Shyam Kumari Nehru lived there, and many important people used to frequent there, spend time there, and it's really exciting to see that such people had frequented there, lived there before the Banerjee clan moved in there. It was under the possession of the Banerjees from roughly 1949 to 2001, and the last occupant was Ashok Mama, Manjushri Mehta. By the time this original edifice was dismantled and it was turned, but the basic infrastructure remained. Talking about Dadu Anadidhan Banerjee, was born in 1895 and passed away today in 1956 at the age of 62. He was a civil servant, education in Allahabad, in Holland Hall Hostel, and while living there in 1917, he has done first year of law. And after retirement from the government, he completed his second year of law and started practicing. I still have memories of him going to the kacheri with his black gown and his white collar bands and arguing in the court. I was very small. I also have fond memories of sitting on his lap and he's fondling me as the eldest grandchild. I'm sure many of you have heard about him. So A.D. Banerjee is remembered today everywhere. A civil servant of repute, he was especially deputed to what is now Bangladesh, then East Bengal, to handle the famine, the food crisis, the artificial food crisis created by the British for distribution of essential supplies. He was district magistrate Nadia, and that is where in Krishnanagar in 1944 Binu was born, and also district magistrate of Jessore. And at that time I have photographs where he had his own motorboat, which was written Jessica. Many of you must have seen that. So he has proved his credential as a civil servant very well. He was a very popular officer at the civil service, a good human being, an Arya Samaji. He used to go to church, the temple and everywhere. Very progressive in views and socially very amenable. Banerjee Saab was very well known, and I have myself seen in the diaries of Amarnath Jha handwritten Dadu's name, address, as well as on a particular date it says that Anadi had come to see me. Amarnath Jha writes along with his son for his son's job. These are very priceless, the treasured things which are available with me. And the book also speaks about the Prague Street house. Well, Dadu is no more. I thought of taking this opportunity of paying my tributes to his death anniversary today, share my thoughts very briefly with you, because there's a whole lot of things to share. But time, your patience, they all matter. So I will come over to Ashok Mama. There are other mamas and mashis, but that I will discuss some other day. Why Ashok Mama? Because 20th of April, barely 48 hours from now, that is his Punyatithi. So might as well on this occasion, when we are remembering Prague Street, we remember Ashok Mama and pay my tributes to him, all of us. He was the strongest pillar of Prague Street. He held the fort and integrated every family member with his meager resources. He was a real practitioner of a very good host and a very warm person. Of all his brothers, sisters, nephews, nieces, cousins, he oversaw marriages of so many family members, even distant family members. Everybody could come and stay there with an open house. Ashok Mama had excelled in a very good sense of humor. Many of you know. Sense of humor was wonderful. Not only a good human being, he, as a block development officer, very popularly known as BDO Saab in villages, was very popular in the villages. He would cycle around everywhere. Why I am saying with utmost confidence is at every village posting of his, I was there. If Maima is hearing, she would vouch for it. She also stood by him very steadfastly in all the ups and downs, whether it was Zamania, Saidpur, Chakia, anywhere. And his last posting of Ashok Mama was in Balia as the ADM. I happened to be there with the Prime Minister then. He was there again a very popular officer, not only among the villagers, among his senior officials also, who would treat him with great respect because of his honesty and his own personal conduct. He stood out, very gentle to the poor. And there I also saw his compassion for his old helping hands, Ram Nivas. Ram Nivas is going to the bathroom 100 times, panting. And Ashok Mama is every time cleaning him, looking after him, till Ram Nivas breathed his last. That was Ashok Mama. He is remembered forever. And what I was under his training throughout. As a small child, he organized so many marriages of his sisters and nephews, as I told you, and everybody, his brothers. So he trained me from age 7 how to order a dari, shamiana, coffee, caterers, chairs, ice cream walas, how to maintain accounts. I hardly knew anything, but that was a great tutor and teacher whom I always pay my respects for the wonderful training which held me in good stead in my official capacities as well in personal, whether I am organizing my sister's wedding or a friend's wedding or any other occasion of Koiti or anything. So Ashok Mama, from all of us, I pay my tributes to him for his death anniversary. Remember him from Prague Street, and to my Dadu also. Lots of respects. Thank you for listening.